What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Dudes Tech. Today, we are taking a look at a piece of gear that every household really needs to have in their emergency kit. The Apwick-Cogger Emergency Radio is built to be your ultimate lifeline when things get tough or the power goes out unexpectedly. Let's get started. When you are dealing with a severe storm or a sudden blackout, communication and power are everything. That is where the Apwick Ogre really shines. What sets this device apart is the massive 20,000 mAh battery tucked inside. Most emergency radios have much smaller batteries, but this one can keep your audio going for up to 35 hours or provide 50 hours of continuous light on a single charge. It is basically a high-capacity power bank that also happens to be a top-tier radio. Speaking of the radio, it covers AM, FM, and shortwave channels, but most importantly, it gives you access to NOAA weather alerts. Whether there's a hurricane, a cyclone, or a tsunami heading your way, you will be the first to know what is happening. You do have to tune it manually to your local station, but that ensures you get the most accurate, life-saving info for your specific area. The design of the Apwick-Cogger is super rugged and made for the real world. If the lights go out, you have got a built-in 3-watt flashlight to help you move around safely and a bright reading lamp for when you're hunkered down. Plus, since it has that huge battery, you can plug your phone directly into it to charge. In an emergency, keeping your phone alive is a total game changer for staying in touch with loved ones. Even with all that power, this radio is surprisingly portable and easy to carry. It features a long 52-centimeter extendable antenna to pick up clear signals even in remote areas, and there is a loud SOS alarm if you ever find yourself in trouble while hiking or trekking. It is the perfect companion for outdoor enthusiasts who want that extra layer of safety. One of the best things about the Apwick Ecogger is that you will never truly run out of juice. You can charge it up fast using a standard USB Type-C cable before you head out, but if you are off the grid or the grid goes down, you can use the built-in solar panels or the hand crank to generate power manually. This tri-mode charging means you have complete peace of mind no matter where you are or what the situation looks like. It is a durable, versatile tool that takes the stress out of the unknown. This is definitely one of those tools you will be glad you have before you actually need it. If you want to pick one up for your home or your next camping trip, check the price link in the description. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more gear guides. Stay safe, and we will see you in the next one.